Hello, welcome to Ball 360 TV. In this channel, we upload videos about NBA. In today's video, we will talk about NBA standing as of November 13, 2024 after 8 games played in the in-season tournament. We will also show the game schedule tomorrow, November 14, 2024. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and press the like button to help our channel grow. Without further ado, let's start. Here are the team standings for the Eastern Conference. Cleveland Cavaliers remain at number 1 spot with perfect 12-0 record. Boston Celtics remains at number 2 despite their third loss of the season. Orlando Magic climbed to the third spot after their blowout win against Charlotte. They are on their 3-game winning streak. New York Knicks moved to number 4 with 5-5 record. Indiana slide to number 5 spot. Brooklyn remains at number 6 with 5-6 record. Detroit climbed to number 7 spot because of their shocking win against Miami Heat. They have 5-7 win-loss record. Atlanta Hawks is at number 8 spot with 5-7 record. Number 9 is the Miami Heat with 4-6 record. And number 10 is the Chicago Bulls with 4-7 records. Charlotte Hornets suffered to their second straight loss. They slide to 11th spot with 4-7 record. Milwaukee Bucks is back into the win column, 3-8 record. Washington Wizards is at number 13 with 2-7 record. They are on their 5-game losing streak. Number 14 is the 76ers with 2-8 record. And number 15 is the Toronto Raptors with 2-10 record and on their 5-game losing streak. Toronto is also the first team in the season to reach double digit in loss column. And now, let's proceed to the team standings in the Western Conference. 3 teams tied in the number 1 spot with 9-3 records. They are Oklahoma City Thunder, Phoenix Suns, and Golden State Warriors. Denver Nuggets remain at number 4 with 7-3 record. They are on their 5-game winning streak. Houston Rockets remain at number 5, 7-4 record, 2-game winning streak. Number 6 is the Memphis Grizzlies, 7-4 record with 3-game winning streak. Number 7 is the Los Angeles Lakers with 6-4 record and on their 2-game winning streak. Clippers climb to the 8th place with 6-5 record. Minnesota slide to number 9 with 6-5 record and on their 2-game losing streak. Sacramento remain at number 10 with 6-5 record. On the number 11 spot is the Dallas Mavericks with 5-6 record and on their 3-game losing streak. Number 12 is San Antonio Spurs with 5-6 record. Number 13 is the Portland Trail Blazers with 4-8 record. Number 14, New Orleans Pelicans with 3-8 record and on their 5-game losing streak. And number 15 is the Utah Jazz with 2-8 record. And here are the games scheduled for tomorrow, November 14, 2024. At 8 a.m., Miles Turner and the Pacers will visit Kia Center to play Franz Wagner and the Magic. The number 2 seed Boston Celtics will play Brooklyn Nets in Barclays Center at 8:30 a.m. Nikola Vucevic and the Bulls will face Karl Anthony Towns and the Knicks in Madison Square Garden at 8:30 a.m. Evan Mobley and the Cavs will try to extend their winning streak against Paul George and the Clippers in Wells Fargo Center at 8:30 a.m. Brandon Ingram and the Pelicans will try to end their losing streak against Gilgeous Alexander and the Oklahoma City Thunder in Paycom Center at 8:30 a.m. Alperen Sengun in the Rockets will try to extend their two-game winning streak against James Harden and the Clippers at 9 a.m. Cade Cunningham and the Detroit Pistons will visit Preserve Forum to play Giannis and the Slumping Bucks at 9 a.m. Jordan Poole in the Wizards will try to end their five-game losing streak as they visit Wembanyama in the Spurs at Frost Bank Center 9 a.m. Whose winning streak will end as Jaren Jackson Jr. in the Memphis face Anthony Davis in the Lakers at Crypto.com Arena 11 a.m. Anthony Edwards and the Minnesota Timberwolves will visit struggling Portland Trail Blazers led by DeAndre Ayton in Moda Center at 11 a.m. Phoenix Suns without Kevin Durant will play against Domantas Sabonis in the Sacramento Kings at Golden One Center 11 a.m. If you like the video, consider to subscribe and press the like button to help our channel grow.